Hi, welcome to my channel Mathemagic with Mohsin Raza. And today I'm going to talk about this problem. That problem appears in different mathematical Olympiads, and that question is very interesting. And it's a sum of the terms and containing a radicals. So, before going to see what actually the way to solve, what is the trick to solve this question, if you haven't subscribed yet, so please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and there are more playlists are added into my channel related to the Olympiad, mathematics, set preparation, and more. So please look into it and find the interesting videos. So let's see how to solve this question. So actually, if you look into this sequence, sum of the sequence, then the sequence has a terms in that way. This is the first term is actually this is just one second. This is T1, let's say, or A1, and that is adding up. So this is our A1, and this is A2, and this is A3, and so on. This is what would be that. So that is, let's say, this is an with n some number. So from here you can see that this number is actually 2021. So n is 2021. So if we look the pattern and we can try the terms as a general formula, then a n can be written as 1 over n under root plus n plus 1 under root. Okay, so how we can do this? So we can rationalize this fraction, and we get what? So if we rationalize it, then we multiply this with n under root minus n plus 1 under root, and also here we multiply with n under root minus n plus 1 under root. Or someone says a square root, so there is no problem by saying under root or square root. So let's, okay, this is okay for saying square root. So this is a square root of n minus square root of n plus 1, and this is the product, and this product is written in the form of square root of n plus square root of n plus 1 into square root of n minus square root of n plus 1. So here you can see that this is actually in the form of a plus b into a minus b, and that will be equals to a square minus b square, right? So if you put the formula with a to be equals to n square root and b to be equals to square root of n plus 1, then this will be equals to n square root minus n plus 1 square root over, this is actually, what is this? This is, can you tell me? So this will be n square root square minus, and this will be equals to square root of n plus 1, and it will gives equals to square root of n minus square root of n plus 1 over, this will be equals to n minus into n plus 1, which gives actually minus 1 in the denominator, which multiplied in the numerator and will give square root of n plus 1 minus square root of n. Okay, so this is our an. So what actually we have to find? So Up to now, we are known to be a n equals to square root of n plus 1 minus square root of n. So if I need to find the sum, I or someone say n equals to 1 to 2021 of this am. So what it makes actually? This make actually the telescopic series. Like let's say, if you plug in here the n equals to 1, you get 2 square root minus 1 square root, right? And if you add up and put plug the n equals to 2, and you get what? You get 3 square root minus 2 square root. And now plus similarly, the next one will be 4 square root minus 3 square root and plus so on. And in the last, that will be something like 222 square root minus 2021 square root. Okay, so you can see that this number 2 square root is cancelling with this 2 square root, and this 3 square root is cancelling with 3 square root, and all other terms will be cancelling. The only will left with that would be this term, and that will be this term. So the answer, and this is known to the telescopic series, and this answer gives 2022 square root minus square root of 1 is 1. So this is our answer. So this is the sum of that tricky and difficult scenes series, and this has an answer 2022 square root minus 1. So thank you for watching this video, and please look into the playlist that is showing up, so you can find the more interesting and practice and tricky questions. And please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more interesting and informative videos. Thank you so much.